Hi, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. My name is Pia and I'm a small content creator as well as a graphic design student starting my second year this March. Balancing both roles can get pretty overwhelming, especially when you have a million ideas in your minds and deadlines piling up for college. But staying organized has helped me manage my time, reduce stress, and actually get things done. In this video, I'll be sharing how I organize my life with two main tools, my Notion board and my desk wall. If you have been struggling to stay on top of everything or want some inspiration for your own setup, this video is for you. So let's just dive in. First up, Notion, my absolute favorite organization tool. If you haven't heard of Notion, it's basically a one stop application where you can plan, track, and organize your life. What I love the most about Notion is how customizable it can be. You can make it aesthetic, clean, and super organized at the same time. It's like a digital home for all your tasks, ideas, and projects. My whole life is in here literally. So here's how I have set up my Notion page and how I use it to keep everything in check. First of all, my college page. This is where I organize everything related to my studies. I track my assignments, deadlines, study notes, and even my grades for each subject. It's nothing fancy, it's actually a simple layout, but it's so effective for keeping all my college stuff in one place. I also have a section where I plan out my upcoming exams or project submissions so I never miss out anything. Next is my content creation page. This is my favorite page. It's the one I spend the most time on. Whenever I have an idea in mind, I just drop it here so I don't forget it later on. I also have a cool system to organize my workflow for each video. It includes the filming date, the publishing date, and the status of the video. Like whether it's in the idea stage, do I have to script it, do I have to edit it, or is it ready to upload? This page has been literally a lifesaver when it comes to staying on track and following my schedule. Honestly, without this, I probably forgot half of my ideas and post way less consistently. Then I have my client page. This page is for my freelance graphic design work. I keep track of all my projects, past, present, or upcoming. I have sections for my hand-in date, my commission details, and the project status. On the side, I also keep notes on each client's information and their specific needs, which makes the communication so much smoother. Right now, it's looking pretty empty since the year just started. I usually reset everything at the beginning of each year. Last, we have my main page, which ties it all together. I have a general calendar for life events like doctor appointments, birthdays, or anything important going on in my life. There's also a daily to do list where I write down everything I have to get done that specific day. It's such a simple setup, but it works perfectly for me. I also have other pages like language, health, finance. As you can see, Notion has helped me keep my life organized and my mind clutter free. If you're someone who likes having everything in one place, I highly recommend trying out Notion. By the way, this is not sponsored. I just really love this application, so I really recommend for anyone who is struggling with organizing their life. Now let's move on to my desk wall, which is my go to for visual organization. Sometimes having things physically in front of you can make a huge difference, especially when you're juggling with so many tasks. Here's what I have on my desk wall. First of all, I have my social media sizes table. This table has all the dimensions for posts, stories, and videos on each social media. It's super helpful when I'm designing or editing content because I can quickly check the right size and I don't have to like Google it every single time. Then I have my printing paper sizes table. This table is mainly for designing, but it's a great reference when I'm working on physical projects or when I have to print something. I also use the wall for reminders. I pin up papers with to do lists, upcoming deadlines, or motivational quotes. anything that can keep me focused and on track. One of my favorite things on the wall is my color thesaurus poster. It's a chart with different shades of colors, and it has been such a game changer when I'm designing because whenever I'm stuck with finding the right color palette, this poster gives me so much inspiration to find the right one. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, I recently decorated my whole wall and I also made a video about it. So if you want to check it out, it's in my channel. When it comes to tools, I like to keep it simple. The Notion calendar is my main tool for planning. It's easy to use and keeps everything in one place. For time management, I usually rely on time blocking. I plan out my day by assigning specific times to different tasks, and when I stick to it, it's actually super effective. But I'll be honest, there are days where I struggle to stick to the plan. And when that happens, I use pressure as motivation. It sounds chaotic, but knowing that I have to upload a video in 3 4 hours or finish a graphic design project by nights pushes me to work so much faster. I guess I do work best under pressure. It's not ideal, I don't recommend it, but it works for me. So that's how I stay organized as a content creator and a graphic design student. To recap, I use my Notion board to plan and track everything, my desk wall for visual reminders, and a mix of time blocking and some good old pressure to get things done. So, how do you organize your work and studies? Let me know in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.